So, how does the Revenue Flows AI system increase the return on ad spend that I get from my ads? Well, it's very simple. Let's say that you're spending $10,000 a month on ads right now, right? And let's say you're selling an $80 product and your conversion rate sits at like 1%. And let's say that right now, from that $10,000 a month in ads, you're making like $20,000 a month with these numbers. Now, if all you do is you're able to get more orders from the existing traffic that you're getting, which is your conversion rate, right? So let's say your conversion rate goes from 1% to so how does the Revenue Flows AI system increase the return on ad spend that you get from your ads? Well, it's very simple. When you increase your conversion rate and your average order value, you're able to make more money from the same traffic that you're already getting. So the same money that you're already spending on ads, when your product page conversion rate goes up, now you're getting more sales from the same traffic that you already have, right? And you're actually making more dollars from every order that you get, right? Which also compounds your profit margins. It like if you were to increase your conversion rate by let's say 50% and you increased your average order value by 50%, you don't get 100% growth. As in, you don't just double your business, you actually compound the growth because it's 50%, and then on top of that it's another 50% in the average order value. So if I'm getting my numbers right, it's like 130% growth that you're able to see in your business. And when it comes to your profit margins, it's exponential because when you're able to make more sales from the same traffic and every customer spending more money, now your profit per order dramatically increases, right? So in this scenario, it might literally double to 2.5x the profits that you're able to make from it, which means that your return on ad spend is something that campaigns that were previously struggling are now all of a sudden gonna be break even or profitable. Or the campaigns that were kind of break even or just making a little bit of profit are now gonna be wildly profitable. And the campaigns that are profitable are gonna be working really well and you can continue scaling them up. So increasing your return on ad spend is not about how good you are at tinkering your ad settings anymore in this day and age, because the AI of most of these ad platforms, whether it be Meta, Instagram, TikTok, Google, all of these, they're actually removing a lot of the targeting options and things like that. And the reason why they're doing that is the AI is literally telling you, like, don't put us in a box of telling us exactly who we should target and all that stuff. Let our AI, which is super smart, figure out who you should be targeting and what we should be doing. And we're going to go find the right pockets of audiences for your products that are going to convert. So this is how you increase your return on ad spend, is instead of trying to tinker around with the ad settings and this tweak that's going to increase your cost per click or whatever. I'm not saying that those things are not important, but they can bring you incremental returns. But improving your revenue per visitor is the game that 7 and 8 figure brands play, because they allow you to see exponential growth and exponential results. And this is the number that you can continue to improve as the costs of advertising continue to go up, because unfortunately the cost of advertising is only going to continue to rise regardless of what industry you're in, because more and more competitors are going to enter. That's just the fact of the matter, right? So the name of the game is not how good you are at getting traffic. The name of the game is how good you are at making money back from the traffic that you do get. And improving your return on ad spend has got less to do with tinkering with your ad campaigns and more to do with maximizing your revenue per visitor. And for those of you who have been spending money on traffic and you notice that once you kind of hit a threshold, let's say $500 a day or something, your ROAS kind of drops and your customer acquisition cost goes up. That's typically because these ad campaigns or these ad networks, they're now expanding your reach to try to find different pockets of audiences that can come to your pages. So improving your return on ad spend is the only way that you can continue to stand the test of time and actually scale your campaigns from, and like not get throttled or not get stuck at $100 a day or $500 a day in ad spend. This is how you can continue to scale, is by doing conversion rate optimization and maximizing the average order value. And this is what your competitors are likely not doing, especially not as quickly and not as effectively as what our system is able to do. So that's how the Revenue Flows AI system, as we continually update and we add conversion elements and we improve conversion and the average order value of your products, this is what will make your business and your products bulletproof, that will continue to stand the test of time. The ad campaigns can run reliably and you can scale them to thousands of dollars a day and maximize your return on ad spend from your ads.